We can also achieve a not equal to function by using a combination of less than and greater than symbols. What this means is it will bring the rows that are not equal to the value passed in the condition. For example, this following SQL achieves not equal to function by using this less than, greater than symbols together and will bring rows that are not equal to 0.25. Here you will not see any rows that has 0.25 as its value in commission percentage column. The same function can also be achieved by these two signs, exclamation followed by equals to sign, which is equivalent to not equal to. This SQL brings the same set of results where the commission percentage is not equal to 0.25. Okay, thank you for watching.